Welcome! Whether you ordered the PureWick System Starter Set for women or for men, it contains everything you need to get started with the PureWick system. This is the PureWick Urine Collection System base. It is available with or without a battery. Here is the collection canister that comes with the starter set. You also have the option of ordering a canister with a handle that looks like this. Here we have the power cord, the collector tubing, which is the longer piece of tubing, and the pump tubing, which is the shorter piece of tubing. This piece is the elbow connector. It's small but important to the function of your PureWick system, so be sure it doesn't get lost or thrown away. Your set also includes 2 disposable privacy covers, which look like this. Lastly, if you ordered the PureWick system for women, you will have a box of 30 PureWick Flex Female External Catheters, or WICs, to get you started. If you ordered the PureWick system for men, you will have a box of 30 PureWick Male External Catheters. Also, look for your PureWick system user guide for at-your-fingertips instructions and information on setting up and using the PureWick system. We hope this video has helped you get familiar with all the elements of your new PureWick system. Thanks for watching. We're here to help. For more information, look to our additional videos on how to set up the PureWick system and proper placement of the PureWick Female External Catheter, or WIC, and other important information. Or call the number on screen to speak to a PureWick system specialist.